name is Nandini. I am studying 9th class.
My name is M. Akhil. I am studying 7th class.
My name is Ashwin. I am studying 7th class.
My name is Varsha. I am studying 9th class. My school name is ZPHS Edira.
This experiment name is wireless notice board.
Materials required:
Arduino Uno, liquid crystal display, jumper wires, Bluetooth module, USB cable.
Hi and I did. Simple. ZPHS Edira.
When we type the message in phone, the Bluetooth connects and it shows in the LCD. Thank you.